So, you keep failing. No matter how hard you try, your goals slip through your paws, or in your case, hands. You blame luck, you blame people, you blame life. But let me be honest with you, the real reason you keep failing is you. Reason number 1, you have no discipline. You get motivated for one day, you start something, then the next morning, your bed wins the battle. Motivation is weak, discipline is king. Even a lion cannot hunt without patience, timing, and persistence. If you can't force yourself to do what's needed even when you don't feel like it, you will keep failing. Every time you choose comfort over commitment, you train your brain to accept failure. Reason number 2, you try to do everything and master nothing. You chase 10 dreams at once, start 10 projects, and give up on all of them. Success is a lion's hunt. Focus on one target, lock in, and don't stop until it's yours. If you keep hopping from goal to goal like a scared rabbit, you will never win like a lion. Reason number 3, you quit too early. Do you know how many hunts a lion fails before it eats? Most, but it keeps going. You fail once, and you say, maybe it's not for me. No, it is for you, but only if you keep moving after failure. So, how do you stop failing? Build discipline, act even when it hurts. Focus on one thing, hunt it like your life depends on it. Refuse to quit. Failure only wins when you stop. You are not cursed. You are not unlucky. You are just undisciplined, unfocused, and impatient. Fix that, and your life will change. Now, if you also wonder why nobody respects you, go watch my other lesson right here.